What's up, AFTC fam? Here we are out on the water. Unlike you've seen us at before, pretty big fish in here. Water's way up. We've had a ton of rain, and this one is associated with the Missouri River. So if you've been watching the news, you obviously know that the Missouri River is extremely high right now. So this lake is probably about 2 feet higher than usual, I think, compared to previous years where we were basically in a drought. So that's good, honestly, for vegetation up shallow and different habitat that they can get into. So that might help us. But yeah, fishing a different lake, kind of, to be honest, with what's in the water versus what was a year ago. So gonna give that a try. Really shallow lake, dirty mud hole city lake, gotta love it. But we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we can find a big. See you on the water. Start cranking them up. The water is so dirty. Gotta love it. Nothing I ain't seen before. Chatterbait's what I got old big on last time I was here. This exact one, actually. Might be good if I didn't get it snagged in a tree. Oh, it is a bass. All right. Stand down weird. Weight on her. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. It's probably a 4. Take that. Look at that one. Nice fish. Shoot, buddy. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, let's get a quick weight. .92, sweet. Not a bad fish. Take it. Almost a 4. All right, big girl. See you later. Nice fish. Oh, bye. Right as I was saying, it wasn't as productive. We'll take it. There's one. Little one, I think. Doesn't feel very big. We'll take it though. Oh yeah, not a bad one. Not a bad one. All right, buddy. See you later. All right, guys, we're slowly but surely finding them on the rocks with the 6 Sense Crush 50X in, I don't know what it's bluegill something. Bluegill spawn, something like that. I'll link it in the description, but so we're finding them on. It's been a slow bite every hour, but we'll take it. Been flipping docks as I've been hitting them on the way too. That has not been as productive. I'm thinking that'll be better as the day goes on and the sun gets higher. So we'll focus more on that in a little bit, but that's where we're at. Oh, there's one. Come on. Oh, where are you going? This way? Where are you going? barely hooked. Man, you are loving going under the boat, aren't you? Oh, okay, got it. Not a bad one. Probably a 3 something, if I had to guess. Got a pretty decent little bag here. I'll weigh him. Last one's probably 1.5 pounds, something like that. Yep, 3.04. 3.06? 3.06. All right, take it. I think I might add up and see what my best 5 would be. All right, well, see you later, big girl. Medium girl, I guess. I don't like using the net if I don't have to, but that was definitely necessary with how many hooks he had in it. 1. All right, let's see what our best 5 is right now. All right, so the first one was 3.92 plus, call the second one, I didn't weigh it, 1.5 plus, what'd I say, 3.06? 8.48 on 3 fish. That's not bad. I'll take that. Let's find 2 more. Let's try and get to like at least 15 pounds today. More if I can get it, but I might be getting greedy. If that was one there or not, I don't think so. But we'll try and make a cast again. Get closer to me, why don't you? Again, every time I come here, never fails. It never fails, guys. Never fails. Coming in right behind me. There's grass up here. Looks like when we get closer to the bank, though, it's not as many. But that also might be why it's more clear, which could be good. Just a little bluegill up shallow, I think. A little shaddy shad up here. Whoop, maybe more than one. Whoa. Crazy little boogers. All right, guys, off the water. Nah, 3 fish. Could have been better, but was hoping for more, but that's okay. The ones we did catch were of pretty decent size. Like I said, the one that was almost 4, and then the 3-pounder, and then like a 1.5. So I think we ended with like 8.5 pounds across 3 fish, something like that. So not too bad. I'll take it. I was hoping to stay longer, but that lake gets so jam-packed with pleasure boaters because it's one of the only lakes in this area within probably 3 hours that is a wake lake. Otherwise, they're all no wake, so you get jet skiers, pleasure boaters, wake boats, wakeboarders, all that good stuff once it hits like 11. So, yeah, there's that, but we fought it, and it was fun. I don't know. I'm not going to complain too much at all, because I shouldn't, because I got out. So, yeah, overall, decent day. Caught them all on the 610 Crush 50X, and I think it's bluegill spawn. Like I said, I'll link it in the description. But yeah, it was fun. All really dirt shallow on riprap, like pinning the bank in like a foot of water. And I had to make sure it was deflecting off stuff. Pretty common pattern, but anywhere I could find rock that didn't have a ton of grass on it, that usually produced. So that's how today went. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. We're hoping to get out more this summer.